In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square with Xero. This integration will help streamline your financial processes by linking your payment processing with your accounting software. So let's dive right into it. First things first, once you've logged into your Xero account, let's navigate to the appropriate area to set up our integration. On your Xero dashboard, you'll want to find and select the section labeled Connected Apps. This is where Xero gives you the ability to manage all your app integrations. Think of it as a central hub that offers a seamless way to keep your workflows as efficient and smooth as possible. With that accomplished, the next step is to explore the Xero App Store, which is essentially a treasure trove of tools designed to enhance your accounting experience by linking various applications. You'll want to click on Find More Apps, which will take you to the Xero App Store. Now, within the App Store, our goal is to search for the Square app. Use the search bar positioned at the top and simply type in Square. This will bring up the Square app within the search results. Once you've located it, click on the Square app to proceed further. Here you'll notice a button that says Get This App, which is crucial for adding Square's functionality to your Xero account. Clicking on this button will set the wheels in motion to connect these two platforms. As soon as you click Get This App, you'll then be directed to sign into your Square account. Remember, Square manages payments and customer interactions for you, so make sure to use the email or phone number that you have associated with your Square account to make the connection smooth. After entering your login information, click Continue, and you're almost there. Follow the prompt steps that appear on the screen to complete your setup. These steps are designed to ensure that your Xero account properly integrates with Square, efficiently syncing your transactions and financial data. It's important to pay attention to any permissions and settings that may pop up. You want to make sure that everything is set up according to your business needs and requirements. And with that, you've now successfully integrated Square with Xero. With this setup in place, your payment processes will become a lot smoother. It allows for easier management of your sales data within your accounting software. This integration will save time and reduce errors, giving you more capacity to focus on growing your business. If you encounter any questions or find yourself needing further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the support teams of either platform. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.